So hey everybody, my name is Elaine Duff and I'm here at the County Barbecue for some of the best barbecue here in Chicago and some delicious Bird Dog whiskey cocktails. So let's go inside and go eat and drink some. So I'm so excited to be here today with Chef Carlos of County Barbecue. I don't know anything about this place, so tell me a little bit about County Barbecue.
So welcome to our little pocket of a neighborhood. County Barbecue, located in the historical Little Italy section of Chicago, right outside the UIC campus. Been here about 7-8 years.
I'm really excited. I'm also really hungry because I can smell the aromas coming from the kitchen. So tell me what you're going to be making today.
Yeah, so today we're going to be making a Chicago staple pork rib tips.
Okay.
Chicago style rib tips. And then we're going to pair it with our Bird Dog peach whiskey sauce.
All right, I'm excited. Should we go?
Yeah.
Because I'm really hungry.
Let's get rolling. So these are the rib tips. They're essentially the sternum of the pig, which interesting fact, these actually used to be thrown away back in the early stockyard areas of Chicago.
Okay.
The workers that figured out that if you cook them low and slow, essentially barbecue, you end up with a really nice product. So this is what we have here. We're gonna start with our dry rub, which is traditional barbecue spices, salt, pepper, brown mustard, paprika, just traditional stuff. So we're gonna take each slab, we're gonna coat it nicely on both sides, and we'll do every one, and then we're gonna stick it in our smoker that's rolling at 275. They're gonna be in here for about 5 hours. So we use hickory and cherry wood. We'll grab each piece, we'll throw it in there. As you can tell, the smoke is already going. 5 hours later, you'll see these guys right now are about the 2-3 hour mark. And then we have a couple that are ready to roll. So they come out with a nice bark.
Wow.
That's gonna end up looking like this.
Those spices are really cooked in there.
Well, we are gonna do a Bird Dog peach mustard style sauce.
Oh, delicious.
So we'll walk through all the ingredients for that, but that it should pair nicely with the nice spiciness, the salty peppery from the rib tips, with the nice sweetness and the peach flavors from the sauce. Alrighty, so here we got the ingredients for the basis of our sauce.
Okay.
You got your usual suspects: brown sugar, ketchup, mustard, spices. But we're gonna start it off with the onions and the garlic.
Okay.
And then we are gonna simmer everything in a pot.
Yep.
We're gonna blend it, and then we're gonna add the important ingredient, which is gonna be the Bird Dog peach.
Okay.
We're gonna need about 3 ounces of that, so if you wanna go ahead and pour me out 3 ounces.
I can definitely pour
we'll
you out
get everything rolling.
for 3 ounces, so you reach over there. And what are in your spices? What are
So this is gonna be black pepper, some paprika, and some ancho chili powder. Everything is gonna kind of accentuate itself. And we're gonna blend this all up, get it nice and heated, and then we'll go from there.
Thanks, Chef. This looks amazing. I'm so hungry, and I can smell that smoke and the ribs and the sauce. I'm so excited. That is so good. The peach sauce has like a sweetness that really balances out the savory notes of the spice. So that Bird Dog peach whiskey, you can taste it coming through. And then the savoriness and the sweetness of the barbecue is like a perfect pairing. I'm just gonna wash it down with a little bit of a Bird Dog peach whiskey iced tea. Oh, it's perfect. It's like refreshing, savory, sweet. So for those of you who also seem to be really excited as much as I am about this dish right here, if you wanna find out more recipes, head to birddogwhiskey.com and you'll get more recipes about food and other cocktails from Bird Dog Whiskey.